and gentlemen, now the moment you've all been waiting for, so world famous.
Welcome in today's video superstar, where I make rice water for extremely fast hair growth. In today's video I'm teaching you how to make rice water for massive hair growth. First ingredient will be the rice. Also we will need cactus, cloves and fenugreek seeds. Rice is packed with enough nutrient. It contains amino acid, the B vitamins, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants. It's really good at detangling the hair, making the hair smoother, increases shine, and also makes your hair shaft stronger. It helps in growing your hair very long. That's what I'm telling you, it's rice water for extremely fast hair growth. Also, these fenugreek seeds contain fibers, protein, carbs, iron, manganese, and magnesium. They are also very good at fighting dandruff, promoting hair growth, and also preventing premature graying. Fenugreek seeds are excellent for reducing hair losses and promoting shiny to your hair. Also, be sure to wash your rice and the rest of the ingredients before you soak them to the storage jar. Cactus leaf has a bunch of healthy benefits. It contains enough contents like the vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. They also contain iron, calcium, potassium and omega-3. Cactus is high in fatty acid, which is great for hair growth and hair development. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant that fights free radicals in the hair and the scalp. Contains amino acid as well, which is also very good at stimulating collagen production. That's really good for the scalp. However, Cloves are powerful. They are packed with nutrients that are going to stimulate hair growth, and they are going to help your scalp with blood circulation, hence to hair growth. So cloves is very excellent for promoting hair growth, adding shine to the hair, treating dandruff. Also, it's going to prevent your hair from premature graying. It's going to stop hair loss. It's going to clean and soothing the scalp, and it's also very good at locking in the moisture. So be sure to add water in the storage jar and leave the jar to ferment for 24 hours, or you can leave it for longer, but I recommend 24 hours to 48 hours if you have enough time, because that water is going to be so potent. Remember, the rice is packed with enough protein plus the fenugreek seeds. And the cactus is a very good moisture. It's packed with moisturizing properties, so we have a great balance between moisture and protein in this mixture. So let it ferment for 24 hours to 48 hours. Then we are going to do the rice water.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands, a plan your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm
curl marks in my hair. I'm storing it with a shower cap in order for it to deep condition properly. I'm going to stay for this treatment for 40 minutes. I advise you do not stay for a long period of time because too much of anything is harmful, so be sure to stay with it for 40 minutes before you have a protein overload, because this rice water treatment is so potent. However, after this I'm going to go in with this amazing deep conditioner right over here that I'm just going to shake. So this is neem deep moisturizing hair treatment that's going to leave your hair so moisturized. Usually rice water leaves your hair very dry, or say, or frizzy of some sort, so please be sure to go in with the moisturizing treatment after you are done with this treatment, because I learned my lesson previously when I've been using rice water without a moisturizer. It made my hair so frizzy, and when the hair is so frizzy it breaks. So be sure to tune in and learn from how to prepare deep moisturizing treatment. Also, be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts down in the description box. Be sure to like and comment. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed until this minute, go ahead and subscribe in my other videos, so click it. Until next time, bye bye.